Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trent's Tech. And today I'm going to be talking about the new Apple immersive experience called Boundless. Now, the first thing I'm going to say about this experience is if you look at the time down there, it's 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Honestly, when I watched the experience, I liked it, the whole entire experience, but I felt like it was just too short. I felt like there was more to be had from like some of these episodes. So I guess if that was my main critique is just the length, like give me something that's, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, or even 20 minutes and, full immersive experience and whatnot. But I mean, if you go down here and you look at like some of this other stuff, you can see if you click on some of these other ones, this one here is 5 minutes. So that's still kind of, on brand with what Apple's doing. And then if you look at this wildlife one, this is 7 minutes and 52 seconds. And honestly, if we go and look at everything else, look at this right here. The Alicia Keys rehearsal room. This experience was 20 minutes. Like, give me that type of experience. 20 minutes long, fully immersive, HDR, all the things. That's what I need. Everything else, like, if it's like highlights like this, okay, 5 minutes. If it's a trailer like this one where it's like 3 minutes long and they're just, giving you a preview, cool. But for the brand new immersive experience, I would like for it to be a little bit longer. That's my only main critique. Everything else about this episode was pretty cool, and I got a chance to see it from a perspective that I just never really had before. And honestly, I only looked at hot air balloons a couple of times in the 90s when I was a kid. Never wanted to get near them, never wanted to get on them. Was always afraid that I was going to get stuck on the side of a cliff and had this whole like super irrational fear. Even though I don't know how they actually like steer hot air balloons. Do they just like let the wind take them wherever they go? But overall, watching like the opening of this and them showing like, hey, this is how we inflate a hot air balloon. This is the whole process and how things get started. You even go into a little bit of a backstory of the whole hot air balloon process and all that stuff and the city that the pilot's from and, this, that, and the other. And it was pretty cool overall. As far as the visuals are nice. They look just as good as any other, Apple immersive experience does. There are some times where in the darker scenes, you can see like the reflections in the lenses of the Vision Pro. So that can kind of get a little annoying sometimes. But anything with like bright daylight or regular light outside, daytime, there's no issues at all. It's only when you have a contrast of like dark and light that you start to see some of the glare inside the lenses. I did look at this experience with the Apple readers for the Vision Pro. So I had those in when I watched the experience and I had them out just to see if I could notice like a real difference or whatnot. It pretty much looks the same. I just need readers for like text or whatnot, but quality wise, it was the same all the way through. So yeah, pretty much I'll just go ahead and leave it there. That's my review of it. If I were to give it a, I don't know, like a rating out of 5, if that's like a good scale, I'd say it was probably about a 3.8 out of 5 as far as like my experience. And that's just because I'm not like super crazy about hot air balloons, but the fact that it just wasn't long enough. So if we're going to other ratings here, if we look at, like the Alicia Keys experience as far as the experience, how long it was and everything else like that, I totally give this one 5 out of 5. So that's where I'm at with my ranking. You guys can discuss that down in the comment section below. One thing I do want to say, and I honestly don't believe I've said this enough, is I wanted to say thank you to like all of the people that have been coming through and just supporting the channel. I've gotten a lot of great comments on people, suggesting ideas and, talking about different things. And I've had some conversations with you guys in the comment section. I did have somebody reach out to me with some content that I still need to watch. I still need to power on my, Quest 2 and watch some of that VR content, but I'm getting around to it. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. So All right, y'all. Short video. Y'all take it easy. See you in the next one. Peace.